Hey gamers. Ever started installing a new game and thought, why is this taking so long? Well, today I'm going to show you a few simple tricks that can make your game installations lightning fast. Stick around. You won't want to miss this. Before we start installing, make sure to temporarily pause your antivirus. This is important because if your antivirus scans the files as they install, it can slow everything down. By pausing it for just a few minutes, your game can install much faster and smoother without interruptions. Next, let's start installing the game. If you have an SSD, make sure to install the game there for the fastest load times. Also, always run the setup as an administrator to avoid any permission issues and ensure a smooth installation. Following these steps will help your game install much faster. Now, let's speed things up even more using Task Manager. Open Task Manager, find your games.exe process, and set its priority to high. This helps your system dedicate more resources to the installation, making it faster. If you're finding these tips useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more game tutorial. Now let's start installing the game. If you have an SSD, make sure to install it there for the fastest load times. Avoid using long or complicated install paths, as this can sometimes cause errors. Use a simple folder like C:\games, and make sure to run the game setup.exe as an administrator to ensure everything installs smoothly. As you can see, following these steps really helps speed up your game installations. Remember, even with these tips, some setups may still have limitations, and certain bottlenecks can prevent maximum speed. Don't get frustrated if it's not instant, and always double-check your setup to avoid issues. If you found this helpful, stay tuned, because in the next video, we'll explore even more ways to boost your game performance.